What are you having? Good morning, guys. Celine is having milk before we leave. What's the time, Daddy?
10:30.
10:30. Finish? Good girl. Morning, Daddy.
Morning.
Morning. Nakapagbihis na kami, guys, kasi mag-check out na kami. Today is Wednesday. Check out time na. So, from here, pupunta kami ng cafe para ng kape. Tapos, agahan na din. Say hilang na. Say hi, hilang na. Yeah. Shh. Langling. Have a look. Show Tita your dress.
My dress!
Dress. Do you like it? Do you like it? Have a look. She looks so cute. Let's come down. Come down. Oh. Boy. And our Ate Paris is here. Morning, te. Ate. Ate, morning. Come on, we'll turn this off, be. Because it's very annoying now. Pikit, pikit. Where's the remote controller lang? Where's the remote controller, honey? Ay, nagkagatas-gatas sa baba. Na, mapagani ka nagdidi na. Ay, nag-inom mo gatas na. Didi. Bye-bye, Lay. See you next time. See you next time. Ito yung pa-outfit ni mami niyo today, guys. Actually, naka-mini dress ko sa inyo na navy blue. Tapos, nag-cover lang ako ng oversized na denim jacket. Ayan. Then, bag for today. And Celine's outfit ay ayan. Yush! Ang bata nga nagka-milk-milk. Come here, Ate Be. Ate! Come here sa ate quickly, Ate. Come on, gana siya, tita, your outfit. Ate Paris natin ay very sporty today. Hindi siya pa girly-girly. Come, girly-girly pa rin kasi na pink. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Ate! Ito ang pa-outfit ng Ate Paris natin today. Yeah. Jump. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Where's Daddy? Wala, takbo ko agad. Lala. Hinahanap ni Daddy yung kanyang Crocs. Nakalimutan na kung saan na ilagay eh. Last time daw niya nagamit nung pumunta kami ng pool yesterday. Once more. Ewan ko, wala man sa sasakyan. Nasaan na kayo napunta? Ang dalawang to, mukhang hindi nakita yung tatay nila for 1 year
I'm so happy.
Bless you.
A few moments later.
Time check, guys. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. Nandito kami ngayon sa harapan ng Goodyear.
Daddy!
Yung mag-fix ng ating tire. Alam nyo ba? I can't believe it, yeah. So, nung pag-drive ko ng sasakyan kanina, papunta dito. Hindi sana dapat kami pupunta dito kasi 1 o'clock pa yung appointment namin dito.
Daddy!
But then, uy! Ikaw yung Daddy! Daddy's inside the office there.
Which office?
Kaya lang, napansin ko na a bit low yung side ko. Yung change, yung spare tire namin, nag-ano na naman siya, guys, nag-flat tire naman siya. Hindi siya as bad as yesterday. Pero parang kukunan na naman siya ng hangin. So very slow lang yung pag-drive namin dito. Buti na lang hindi siya malayo, guys. Less than 10 minutes na drive ba. Sabi ko, oh my God. Seriously though. Baka hapon ganun. Tapos ano bang daan nila dito, eh? Bakit man na puncture yung ating tire. So yeah, they're going to replace a new tire. Tapos, ano na lang, magbe-breakfast pa kami kasi hindi pa kami nag-breakfast ng totoong breakfast. May fake na breakfast. Hindi yung mga kids binigyan na ng milk tapos may banana kasi meron kami kanina. So here, nandito na naman yung meron. Dito kami sa main center kung saan yung mga shops. And yung cafe. So, kakain kami dito. Siguro iiwan na namin yung car dito. Hi! Hi! Nak, what happened to your headband, honey? Ning.
Daddy.
Huh? Shall I turn it off now?
Yeah.
We're walking towards the cafe now. Buti na lang hindi malayo talaga, guys. Kundi ay, nako, iwan na lang talaga.
Can I tell you
So, Goodyear is just there.
in your ear?
Yes.
I'm gonna tell you what P4 gonna be.
Who else? Okay. Alright. Thank you, sweetheart, for telling me. So, alam niyo ba, after namin kumain ng breakfast, kailangan ko rin pumunta ng
So
post
remind
office.
me to get markers.
Okay, I will remind you,
Now
sweetheart.
don't go Woolies, Coles, okay?
Coles? Why?
Because I want to.
Okay. Alright.
Because at Woolies, I don't think they have it.
Bukas nakahanap din kami ng mga kainan namin, guys. Dito kami ngayon sa
It's
Kombi. Kombi?
by the way, it's vegetarian. Oh no, it's not.
Yeah, it looks like it actually.
No, it's not. You can get eggs.
Where?
Yeah, eggs and salad.
I knew What? Did you hear about? Let me see. Grab it.
You see?
Oh, can you ask for like because it says poached eggs.
No, ask if they can do scrambled. If they can't, they can't. You just get it?
No, I don't think we'll do poached.
What am I? Do you want the...
Just getting banana bread then. Easier.
No?
Avocado and toast. Careful lang, careful lang. Agoy, Diyos ko Lord. Careful. I hope it doesn't rain. Umulan kanina ng lakad namin dito ba? Nandito kami sa
Hey Paris, what would you like?
outdoor area. Stay here, Celine.
Like tonight, can we go swimming?
Yeah, it's in the school.
No, that's not swimming.
Yeah, we have to, but we're finishing now at the hotel now.
No, the one that was Nico when it was his birthday.
Look, we've got fresh green coconut. Freshly cracked yan. Kalini, tingnan nyo ang ating burger. They don't have a lot of options here when it comes to food. They don't have like meat, Dalia.
That's alright. We'll make do with what we got. So what do you want?
Mahanap ng kalaro sa baby Celine, guys. Mahanap ng milk from...
Please.
Kapag-order na si Daddy Mike ng ating pagkain, guys, breakfast. So, after here, kailangan kong pumunta ng post office kasi business is life. So, meron akong nabenta nung weekend before kami pumunta ng Byron Bay. So, I decided na dalhin ko na lang. Tapos, dito ko na lang siya dito ko na lang siya i-post. Pagkita ko sa inyo. So, finally, nabenta ko na to siya, guys. Sobrang tagal na benta ko to siya. So, this is the Lady Dior. Na beige yung kulay niya pero medyo may na siya signs of usage na siya ba? Medyo dark.
Yeah, it is.
Kasi nga dirt, especially yung kulay na to guys, madali siyang dumihan. Pero, yung kanyang mga,
I don't know.
tawag dito, yung kanyang mga hardware ay napaka-kinang-kinang pa. Super good. So, yan yung isang ipo-post natin. What's going on? Tapos, another one is, tumilim ba guys? Ako lang, lang ano. Tapos, the second one is this one. So, itong ating ipon na
Lava.
yan. Card holder. So, meron siyang pa-box na ganap. So, yan. Actually, I sold another one kahapon. So, okay na yun na bukas i-post. Itong sa weekend lang talaga kong i-post kasi
Lava.
time is ticking, especially sa eBay. You need to comply sa time pa na darating talaga on time. Food is here now, guys. Tingnan nyo. Wow. It looks very too much. Tingnan nyo. Wow, banana bread lang yan, ha?
Fine.
Ang daming nakaano sa ibabaw. Avocado banana bread silly is not there.
What's that?
Avocado banana bread. Yes, Sam?
Hello.
I don't think I like this. I don't
Yeah,
like
mate, yep.
the beans.
You don't have to eat it, sweetie.
Can I just take off the beans?
Oh, okay. What? So does that mean can we replace it with a new tire or? Oh no.
Mine.
Okay.
I don't really have this either.
Is there? Do you know?
I just tasted
Oh, we're supposed to be
it,
heading
but
back to
it tastes
Brisbane
very
today.
good. Mine, I don't like
But you wouldn't. Would that the tire that's on there at the moment? Is that dry? Is that dryable? Because it felt a little bit flat when I was looking at it. Yeah. Keep.
Hot chocolate? Yes, thank you.
Do you want? Yeah. Do you want to just give me 2 secs? I'll just have a chat with the wife and stuff and see if it's worthwhile. Because I don't know if like do you reckon you would definitely be able to get one tomorrow if we committed to that? All right, mate. Let me just have. Do you mind if I have a chat with the wife and I'll give you a call back? All right, mate. Cheers, bye.
What's going on there?
He said, thank you.
Thank you, yay!
So he said that they won't be able to. They don't have it needs a new tire,
We know that.
but they don't have like. Cash guy's got a specific size, and he said I can get one, but I won't be able to tomorrow. Because otherwise, you can drive to the Gold Coast and try it out. Yeah. So he goes, I said, "You're definitely going tomorrow?" And he's like, "Yeah."
Is there any other place from here?
And he said Gold Coast, like, it'd be
Like nothing here? Is he the only one in Barrenback?
Yeah, this week he said that. Like, he just said you go to Gold Coast and try it out.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna eat one at a time.
You should understand that.
What?
How about your work?
If I can't get there, I can't get there. What am I supposed to do?
So why is that like not until tomorrow? You have to get it from somewhere? I don't want to try our luck when you're driving the Gold Coast without air.
He said he put some air in it already, but yeah, do you want to? Or you can drive back to Brisbane.
With that?
And just drive 80 the whole way.
Do you really think that works, but we drive 80 the whole way? It says 80 kilometers only. Probably done like 15 yesterday.
Do you want to see if they got anything in the Gold Coast?
How far is Gold Coast though?
Half an hour.
And how many kilometers would that be?
60. Should I talk to Mark? Huh? Yeah. There's lots of places we can stay. There's lots of places here we can stay.
Okay.
Yeah?
I'm fine, Bob. It's just like you.
No, probably. I'm fine too. Like, my work is fine. My work is what it is. What I gotta do.
You have to go to Paris is cool too. It looks like mag-stay muna kami dito ng isa pang araw, guys.
How's your banana bread, Baba? How's your banana bread, Mummy?
It's really yummy.
Can I have a try? I like banana bread.
Really, really yummy.
The best banana bread I had?
One more. Yeah?
How's your coffee? Chocolate.
We don't have clothes anymore.
Pick up very cotton on.
So apparently guys, yung wheel ng sasakyan natin ay what was about the wheel?
Yeah.
Qashqai's wheel. They don't have the wheel for it. So sabi nila, kailangan nilang kumuha
Yeah, go for
somewhere.
it.
And it's not until tomorrow. So unfortunately, we have to stay here for another day. So yeah, just means that, you know, more expensive. We need to find somewhere to sleep tonight. Yung mga kids, wala na mga damit ito kasi inano ko lang talaga na 3 araw dito. Hindi ako wala na. I'm just gonna go shop there. Yung cheap lang na damit for tomorrow. Kasi ako walang problema. Ito man kasi work ba, tapos ito para sa school. Tawag lang siguro si Daddy Max sa boss niya para sabihin, absent na naman siya bukas. Sa Ate Paris, tawagan lang namin ulit yung school. Goodness. Wala sa plano ito. Anyways, it was really yummy. Enjoying this. Tingnan nyo ang kanilang hot chocolate.
Mommy, give me.
Finish!
Give me.
Yeah, do you want more of mine? Okay, you can use mine.
Few moments later.
Dito kami mag-stay guys for tonight. Ang ating baby sila na natutulog. Ayan. Kaga-kaga ko. Doon kami nag-park sa isang sa isang likuan kasi doon kami dinala ng navigator. Ay, nandito lang pala, my lord. It's way past Celine's nap time, that's why. Tingnan nyo. So, itong istahan namin tonight, ay mas malapit siya sa ano?
Hi guys. I got this little thing that I just
Very messy, oh.
slow that stuff, but
Nagpabili ng mga color pen sa Australia Post. Punta kami ng post office kanina para mag-post ng mga bags.
the round bowl, like the one I found under the car,
Yes.
there's one inside here. I can hear something inside.
Yeah, this is seed. Anyways, back to what I was saying, guys. Ayan, yung main center talaga ay nandyan, guys. So, mas malapit ito kaysa sa inistihan namin for the last 2 nights. 2 nights? 3 nights. Ay, my God. Very happy nga ating baby sa Lena. Ay. Walang sumasagot. Okay, having lunch. We're finally here.
Are we going to the bedroom?
We are. See, talagang totoo ang expect the unexpected, guys. My Lord. Okay.
Can I open it?
Maybe
Maybe it's the same code, Daddy, that she gave you for the door. Wait.
7878 hash.
Not sure. Oh, how about that, Daddy? Is that the one?
What?
Is that this key?
7878 hash.